Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. We're going to the beach. I'm going with my friend Connie, Erica, and Shaylee. And in my last video, I did a makeup tutorial and it was really awkward. So I think I'm gonna try to do it again. But if not, it's getting cut and you guys will never see it. Cue the aesthetic music. So this is my first time trying this one because I recently bought this new shade. That's pretty, guys. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god, guys, this is so cute. Oh, guys, look at how cute I look.
You know this cookies for the begging. I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard they got these other niggas going crazy. I hope it over for the taking. You know this cookies for the begging. Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. I know fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Careful, mama, why would you say? You talking to me like.
Okay, guys. For the worst part, I had to brush my hair. I have another brush, and it's better for detangling. I haven't tried this one for detangling yet, so I'm really... Okay, I'm not even gonna like straighten the entirety of my hair. I'm literally just gonna curl the ends because I'm not doing all that.
I guess it's time to show you how anime I can get.
One side done. One more to go. Wait, why is my hair healthy? 3, 2, 1. And then, since my bangs are a little more cute. Oh. I only really use heat for my diffuser. And the thing is, I haven't been on top of my curly routine. I sleep with my hair wet.
You have 5 seconds to run.
I just get lazy, bro, and I'm just like, okay. But since it's summer, I need to.
I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up.
Oh!
Hey, that's Shaylee.
Wait, hold on, she's trying to help me order. Okay. Wait, what's up? Some of our 40 videos. What the fuck? Ew, what the
Well, this dumb ass fluff.
Girl, I thought you cursed.
I'm scared.
What does it look like?
That's cute. Look, see, I messed up on this one.
Someone doesn't wash their coochie.
That looks so freaking good. What the hell?
We have 45 days until we start senior year.
Seriously?
Yes. Bro.
Oh. How are you? Okay.
I'm gonna cry, literally.
Son, I'm crying.
Literally, we're gonna take majority of our time doing this. I'm pissed.
Not fret, guys. There's a million parking spots.
Are you sure about that? Where they at? Oh,
School buses.
we found. Connie, move the. My toes are clenching. We're like, ah! We spent 10 minutes trying to find a parking. We did.
Wait, Connie, do you want me to tell you where the curb is? Because you're getting pretty close to the curb.
She did not care about that curb.
I'd rather hit the curb.
Okay,
I'd
that's
rather
true.
hit the curb.
Oh, she stays true to her words in 3, 2, 1.
Dude, it's because there's this person. No, they need
Wait, Connie, I think.
Bro, you freaking loser. You threw water at our face.
Guys, if you're an animal, which animals would you be?
And it's like and then there was a cat in the picture.
I would be a unicorn because I'm fluffy and I'm colorful and I'm beautiful and I'm graceful.
Little Deku.
Yay! Beach, 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 beach. Bro.
What do you get on your bed?
I'm a piranha.
I got one cheeseburger and I got a Flying Dutchman homegirl wrap with my drink.
Honey, what do you get?
A double. A large strawberry shake.
Okay.
French fries.
Okay.
What'd you get?
I also got the same thing, but without tomatoes. And Connie's my sugar mommy. And